Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these cute little dishcloths. These are absolutely adorable. They're actually Swedish dishcloths, and they have the cutest little cats. There are other different types of things on here that you can get. I was sent the cat one. Then they're about 7 by 8 inches. Now it feels really kind of hard, but once you get it wet, this softens right up, and it actually can replace an entire 17 rolls of paper towels. So you can use it whether, like, see, now it's all nice and easy to use. You can use it just to wipe off counters, easily reuse, wash it right up in the washing machine whenever you're finished. And then whenever it dries, it'll actually just be hard again like this. So that is really nice, but you can see just how much nasty it's picking up and keeping in there. So it's super absorbent. And then if you did just have, say, some water on the counter, you got some water, you can just easily pick up this, save yourself so much effort with not having all the paper towels. Just wipe it up, you're done, and you get the cute little pattern to leave out for decorations. So these are nice little Swedish dishcloths for any kitchen.